Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Adobe Fonts to Wix. All right, so let's begin. As you can see, I'm currently on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks. At the top, you'll find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you'll see all of the sites that you have on Wix. Hover your mouse over the site you want to edit, and click on Select and Edit Site. Once you do that, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. Inside the dashboard, look at the left side of your screen where all the main sections are located. At the bottom, you'll find the option to Edit Site. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the Wix website editor. Just wait for the page to load, and once it opens, you'll see the main Wix editor interface. On the left side, you'll notice tools that help you customize and design your site, including options like Add Elements, Add Section, Pages and Menu, Site Design, Add Apps, My Business, Media, and CMS. Now at the top, click on Add Element. Here you'll see all the available elements you can insert, such as text, images, buttons, strips, decorative boxes, and more. For this tutorial, click on Text, then go to Theme Text, where you'll find titles, paragraphs, and other options. Select a title element. Here, select any from these. And once it appears, you can type whatever you want. For example, I typed tutorial. After adding your text, click on it, and then choose Edit Text. A menu will appear where you can change the style, font size, and more. Click on Fonts, and you'll see all of the available fonts in Wix. Here, you can choose one of the existing fonts or scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the option to upload font. This is where you can add fonts from outside Wix, including fonts downloaded from Adobe Fonts. Just click Upload Fonts, locate the font file on your computer, and upload it. Once added, the font will be available for use across your site. And that's it. You've successfully added an Adobe font to your Wix website. So that's basically how you can add Adobe fonts to Wix. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.